In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in the product library in Hubspot. This simple step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their workflow and manage their products more efficiently, all within Hubspot. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Login. Click on it. You'll be asked to enter your email and password. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Hubspot homepage, your central dashboard for managing everything from contacts and deals to marketing and analytics. But today, our focus is on creating products. On the top navigation bar, look for the section called Commerce. Depending on your account setup, it might appear under a different label, but it's usually easy to spot. Click on Commerce to continue. Inside the Commerce section, select Products. This will take you to your product management area, also known as the product library. Think of this as your central hub where all your products and services are neatly stored and organized. Once you're inside the products page, look toward the top right corner for the Create Product button. Click it. And this is where the fun begins. You'll now see the Create Product page where you can enter all the essential details about your product. Start by adding a product name. This is how it'll appear throughout your Hubspot account. Then, fill in a description to give a clear idea of what your product or service is about. Next, set your price and include any additional fields that are relevant, like SKU, billing terms, or internal notes. Take a moment to double check your entries. Make sure everything is accurate, especially if this information will be visible to customers or used by your sales team. Once you're confident everything looks right, scroll down and click the Save or Create Product button at the bottom of the form. And just like that, you've created a new product. You create a new product in your Hubspot product library. You can repeat this process anytime you need to add new products or services, making it easier to manage your catalog and keep everything organized in one convenient place. Congratulations! You've just taken another step toward making your Hubspot workspace smarter and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other Hubspot tutorials for more time-saving tips and tricks. Happy product building!